Hello guys, my name is Alex. You are on the Alex Trader channel. Today we will analyze a few points on which I will try to make money. I work on the instrument futures. It is a high risk instrument, but on the other hand highly profitable. I also have a great tool for analyzing the current situation. I use it to find moments to make money.
I am currently looking at two interesting points on the GLM coin and the GAR coin. Both coin I open it in a long position and on trade and can already close as my profit was $150. We have one moment left. My goal is to look in at least $100. I want to graphically show you the technical analysis and my prediction of where the price will go. I decided to not stretch my video, but decided to show how I work and what I make money with. That's why my profit amounted to about $200. This is a good result. In the next videos I will show you my trading in more detail and will share my experience with you. Thank you very much for watching, and guys, bye bye.